Okay, we got a really important one. This one is called Clarity. Now let's check this out. Who owns Clarity? Experian. Experian owns Clarity. Now, what is Clarity? Clarity is a consumer reporting agency that tracks your installment loans. Now, I've looked into Clarity. They have none of my credit cards on there. They only have installment loans. So if you're trying to get a loan from anybody, you might want to dispute your inaccurate information on Clarity. Now, check this out. I printed out a couple pages right here, and it says that Clarity was used by Big Picture Loans, Plain Green Loans, American Web Loans, Lending Post, Arrowhead Advance, Opportunity Financial Loans, Title Max Loans, PerPay, Check and Go. Everybody is using Clarity. Now let's go to their website. Here we go. Take action. Access your Clarity credit report. Access your Clarity credit score. Now, if I click on Access Your Clarity credit report and I fill in all of my information, I'm going to show you right now my personal credit report. You ready? Let's do it. Here we go. This is my personal credit report. Now, this is very important. Inquiries. I dislike inaccurate, false inquiries. Here we go. Now, as you can see, over here it shows the type, which is a storefront, a credit application, the date and time, allegedly, that I went in there. Now, it also shows, if we scroll down, all online installment loan types, auto loan types, payday loans, and then others that are accessing your Clarity report, which was not a soft pull and not necessarily authorized by you. So let's just scroll down here and we can see that Clarity is collecting data from check systems. Clarity is collecting data from Teletrack, which is, if you write a bad check, for example. Now what we're going to do is over here, there's a button and it says access your Clarity credit score. You put all your information in, right? Social security number, date of birth, first, last name. Then they're going to generate an instant report right away and give you your credit score. So now let's look at my personal credit score. Here you go, 677. Now, the range is 516 to 951. But what are the negative factors that are preventing me from maybe getting loans, installment loans, car loans? What are the factors that are negatively impacting my report? Well, number of recent changes in application information. Number of changes in application information. Number of changes in application information. Number of changes in bank account information. Okay, and as you can see, I pulled this report on December 4th, so a little bit over a month ago. Now, here's what I believe these factors mean. Everyone wants stability. Did you change jobs 3 times in the last few months? Hey, that's not so good. You're not stable. You're unstable. You're cuckoo. Now, did you have lower income than you usually report? Higher income than you usually report? You opened up a lot more bank accounts than usual? There's been a lot of activity that's a little strange. You're a strange person. You have been, doing some things that are outside of the range. We have a range that we consider normal. But what you're doing is, hey man, you change jobs, You added some bank account. We're doing clarity. So the first thing we need to do is print out all the clarity pages. Here, I did that. It's about 40, 50 pages of clarity. Why? Because clarity does not let you dispute online. So we're going to need to print all of these pages out, and we're going to have to get an envelope and a couple stamps. Okay, so I spent the last half an hour figuring this mess out, and I got the 50 pages down to 25 pages. Now let me show you what I did over here. Let's see if you can see what I did. You see on the side over here, I wrote dispute to any derogatory information or false information. You see what I did over here? So any row or any line that I believe was false or derogatory information, I simply wrote the word dispute, and now I have their dispute address right here. There you go. And I'm going to mail this out.